Hey folks, Adam here with Elite Demonstration. Today we're looking at the best sealing compound on the planet. It's called Flex Seal. Been using it for a while now, and this thing has saved me thousands of dollars and potential damage to the house. Anytime I've got just an area on the house, like on the roof, I'll get my Flex Seal. If I think a seam is coming open, anything like that where water could get in, I just spray it with Flex Seal and saves any water from getting in. Now you can see I have previously Flex Sealed right here on the house. There was a crack, and I was afraid that water was getting behind these bricks and was starting to push this apart. In fact, this was pulling away. So I pushed it up, I sprayed it with Flex Seal, and it made a real difference. Now spraying with Flex Seal is easy, just like that, and your silicone will spray in. And because it's clear, you can see it kind of sprayed to the same color as the brick. So really fantastic. I've done this in so many places around the house, both in the shower, I've done it on the roof, and I've just done it any place there's a crack where I feel water might get in. So Flex Seal is the real solution for me. Been very happy with this product. It says stops leaks, seals and protects, and covers easily. Flex Seal is the real deal. Go ahead and order yours today. They have multi-packs and single packs. This is the 14-ounce can. Order today. You will not be disappointed.